So one mod that I didn't mention earlier, I bought a seat cover and I'm gonna put it on this seat, and I want this seat to look like this. So in one of my previous videos, I did say that I was gonna get new plastics, graphics, and SuperMoto wheels. Well, I went a little different route. I did get new plastics, but I got the same yellow plastics, just new ones, because I want the bike to look a little fresher. And I went with this color seat cover, the black and red with the red in the middle, because if you look at some of the RM 450s and things like that from Suzuki, from the factory, that's what they came with. Yellow on the side, red on top. I think that'll kind of bring everything together with these black Warp 9 wheels, and I think this bike's gonna look really sweet with this seat cover on. So let's get to doing it. So let's get to popping. So let's get this party popping, bitch. Alright, so I took the seat off and I already took the brackets out, and they have this little toe strap here. We'll take that off and then we'll get all these staples out from around the seat cover. So let's get this sucker off. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna take all of these staples out from around the seat cover, and I'm just gonna pry them up a little with my knife and then pull them out with my Channellocks for ants, just like that. So this is gonna be a little process. So the previous owner farted on this seat, so that's why I'm changing it out, really, because the scent lingers, and you know, I can't have that. He might as well have shat his pants, because this shit, man, every time I turn the air conditioner on my bike, I smell it. So this gotta go. Fuck these staples. I do like my Channellocks though. That's probably the smallest Channellocks you've ever seen. All right. There she is, nice and foamy. Now this is gonna go on this, like this, and it'd be like it do. So I forgot to mention, this cover is for a DR400. If you haven't already picked up on that trend that I just kind of like to order most of my aftermarket stuff from a DR400. If it doesn't come for a DR200, I just get the DRZ400 part. So DRZ400 seat cover. We're gonna make it fit. I got a DRZ400, so this seat next to that seat look fairly similar. I figured they're about the same size, and it's just a piece of material. So, you know, it might not be perfect for the DR200, but we're gonna make it work. So I wanna always start with the front, and I wanna center that front on there. Make it nice and clean. I got the heat gun to help heat up the material, so it kind of helps it stretch out, so we can form this seat cover to this seat a little bit better. So you want it nice and warm, like most things. Nice if I had 4 hands, but yeah, and this is awesome also because it's probably the easiest way to do it. I got one stable in the front, one in the rear, centered pretty decently. So add a little more heat, let it come down. That'll do it. There it is. That's actually not too bad right there. Yeah, not bad. Not too shabby. I like it. It's tight. Cool. Go put it on.